Hey friends, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. And yes, today I have a Goan green beans, that is French bean recipe for you. And so we'll not waste a second. Let's begin with the recipe. Please note down the ingredients below. I have 2 pounds of green beans, that is French bean we say, washed and cut, and now it is ready to prepare the recipe. So let's check the ingredients first. Moving on to the recipe, I've kept a pan at heat for a few seconds. In few seconds, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. I'm not adding any water, so I'm putting extra oil. Oil is nice and hot. I'm gonna add asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon. I will add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. Let it fry and we'll wait till the mustard seed crackle. So as I can see, mustard seeds have crackled and it's time to add the curry leaf and stir fry for 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, I'm gonna add onion. Stir fry until soft. So for that I will cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes, and yes, at this point I'm gonna add the tomato, chili and give this a good stir. Now tomato is nice and soft. I'm gonna add the spices and stir fry for a minute. In a minute, I'm gonna add the coconut and stir fry for a minute. Now in a minute, I'm gonna add the green beans and then give this a good mix. After mixing well, I will add salt as per taste. So I'm adding as per taste. And then I have 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Now mix well. And after mixing well, I will cover and cook for 5 minutes on low medium heat. Alright, so 5 minutes. And yes, I never added any water. There's a lot of water released from this veggie and no need to add any water. So this will cook by itself. I will check the salt at this point. Yeah, salt is good, spice is good. So few more minutes and then you're done. So let me cover and cook for another 3 minutes. Alright, so 3 minutes. And then final ingredient would be a dash of hot and sweet sauce. Mix well. Yes, it looks delicious. I really love this vegetable. So for now, I'm gonna switch heat and we'll serve hot. So our delicious green beans recipe is ready and it's best served with chapati. So now if you have liked this video, please share and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.